Hello everyone, so if you want to determine whether your Motorola Razr 50 is genuine or fake, so first of all we are to open up our phone application. And now open up your dialer, it looks like this, and in your dialer we are to enter a secret code *#06# and here is all of our information. So here is first IMEI, eSIM IMEI, SIM IC-ID, and so on and so forth. So and now you are to copy your SIM IMEI number, press copy. Also, it's important, copy the digits only up to the slash. Alright, after that we are to open up any browser. So it can be Google Chrome or it can be Opera for you. It doesn't really matter. Alright, now we gotta search our imei.info. Here it is. Let's open it up. So now we gotta enter our IMEI. So enter it and press check IMEI. Now you may be prompted to do your CAPTCHA. However, as you see, it already detected our Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, so it means our phone is genuine. Also, you can do this through your official Motorola website, so you gotta open up your search tab and use your Motorola Verify option. Now you will be prompted to use your warranty check. This is not exactly a legitimacy check. However, if your phone is fake, this page gonna be empty. So enter your IMEI, press find device. You will be prompted to do your CAPTCHA. So simply do it, press OK, and give it a couple seconds. So as you see, it detected our phone. This is exactly Motorola Razr 50, and it's a good sign. It has a warranty, so it's a genuine phone. Also, inspect build quality. Pay attention to the materials and overall build of the phone. Fake phones always have uneven seams and use poor quality materials. Also examine the packaging and accessories. Genuine Motorola boxes are typically well designed and accessories are neatly packed. The last but not least is to open up your settings, to scroll down until you'll find your system updates tab. Here it is, so choose this option and make sure that your Motorola is updated or at least prompted to be updated to the latest version, because fakes usually don't receive official updates. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.